One of the most frequently asked questions regarding Redbubble: what are the pros and cons of working on Redbubble? And by and large, for every single online business, there are some upsides and downsides. And when it comes to speak about Redbubble, let's begin with the advantages of working on Redbubble. Number one, Redbubble is one of the most popular PUD websites, and it comes in the 4th or 3rd place after Merch by Amazon and Etsy. And to your knowledge, Redbubble is visited by over 30 million visitors a month. So you gotta leverage this huge traffic to showcase your designs to get more sales. Number two, Redbubble grants you the opportunity to be found on the marketplace or Redbubble search results, unlike some other websites like TeePublic or Teespring. So what you have to do is just you can optimize your designs to Redbubble search engines by writing an appropriate title, tags, and description. And of course, I have talked about the full SEO of Redbubble. You can find all these 5 videos below in the description box. And the third one, Redbubble doesn't limit you in a tier system like some other websites like Merch by Amazon and Spreadshirt. And on Redbubble, you can upload up to 60 designs a day. Number four, in Redbubble, you can join the fan art program. And here you can make your designs about some brands, some Netflix TV shows, and so on. Number five, in Redbubble, you can find an amazing feature that is a pattern tool that enables you to make limitless repetition of your graphic and your quotes inside your template. Number six, Redbubble gives you the option to promote your designs to social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. On the other hand, the advantages of working on Redbubble. Number one, the most well-known complaint is Redbubble suspends many stores, especially the new ones. And to avoid that, you have to stick with some instructions. Number one, you have to respect the guidelines and the laws of Redbubble. Number two, don't violate the copyright and don't use copyrighted materials, either words or graphics. Number three, don't use spam words in title, tags, or description. Number four, don't sign in to your Redbubble account from different devices, like 10, 11 devices, because such behavior, Redbubble takes it as a spammy one. Number five, don't use VPN while using Redbubble, because Redbubble doesn't like you if you're working from different countries like India, Egypt, the United States, Australia, and so on. Okay, because such behavior is spammy and more suspicious to Redbubble. And the sixth one, don't be absent for a long time on Redbubble, because Redbubble considers you as an active user, as not serious seller. So it takes your account down. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.